Happy Tuesday, everyone. In celebration of this week of love, I'm not going to write you a love song because you asked for it. I'm going to show you how to give your countertops some much needed love. Do you ever look at your countertops and think, I love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections? Well, you don't need to worry about adding any more imperfections if you do one thing about once a year. It's easy. All you need is love and sealer. It'll help keep liquid and other unwanted materials from staining or etching your stone. So come on, take another little piece of this heart now, baby, and see what happens when stone is not properly sealed or has lost its seal over time. You can see the area is almost immediately darkening where the liquid is seeping into the stone. When this happens, you know it's time to hit me, baby, one more time with some sealer. You're gonna need a clean towel and some sealer. First, wipe down your countertops so they're dry and clean. Next, apply your sealer to your stone. Evenly distribute it. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then wipe dry. If you have a dark countertop, you're probably fine. If you have a light countertop, you may want to repeat the process. It is a good idea to wait about 24 hours before using your countertops. You know, you can't hurry love, you'll just have to wait. They say love can't come easy, and it doesn't. It takes hard work and commitment. When your countertop is properly sealed, you'll see a major difference. You can see now the water just sits on top like so and doesn't seep into the stone anymore. Hey, quit playing games with my heart. My heart. My heart. If all this just seems like too much work for you, you can always call me, maybe. And we'd love to come out and seal your countertops for you. This is just one of the great services we offer our customers when providing diversified products and unmatched service. Love these granite heart cutouts? Leave us some comments below on some ideas that you'd love to see in stone. Have a happy Valentine's Day, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. And for now, bye, bye, bye. I can't help falling in love with these granite cutouts. Can I have it?